What's going on YouTube? Thank you for tuning in for another video. Today we are installing a brand new carbon fiber front lip on my BMW M4. Huge shout out to Extreme Online Store for sending this out. I'm excited to get this front lip on the car. I think it'll look great, and stay tuned. Check it out guys, this is the front lip that we are installing on the car. Very nice high quality carbon. Comes with this inner piece as well as this piece that mounts to the bottom, of course. This I believe is for extra sturdiness, and I don't think that will work unless you have the stock skid plate. I have a upgraded Turner skid plate on this car, so I don't think I'm going to be able to use this inner piece. However, we can go ahead with the install with the lip, and I'll be running you guys through the process. Alright guys, so check it out. Car is jacked up and everything. We are now going to be mocking up the front lip. Quick little sneak peek for you guys, so you can get an idea. It's a very aggressive one actually. So this is gonna look sick, but something like that is where it's gonna sit around. I have to do some adjustments. I'm gonna jack up the lip a little bit, keep it in place, get some final adjustments, and we can start screwing it in. Alright guys, so as you see, I got the lip lined up. I jacked it up, got it lined up in a spot I like. I'm putting in the screws for these two little areas right here first, and that will be able to hold the lip in place, and then I can just run screws through the rest of the Alright guys, check it out. The lip install is complete, as you can see here. We just used a bunch of self-tappers to secure this thing. Everything's looking secured and good. And we are good to go. I can bring the car back down. and see how it looks on the ground. Alright, so the front lip is now fully installed. Car is back on the ground. Just to finish it off, I will be adding some ceramic coating to this front lip. I'm just cleaning it with rubbing alcohol first, and then we will go ahead and apply the ceramic. And we should be good to go. Alright guys, so as you saw, the process is complete. The front lip is now installed on the car. Looking very nice. And I'm excited about this new look. I've been running one lip on my car for over a year now, and I've gone through 3 of them, so I decided that it was time to get something different. And I really like this style as well. Complements the car nicely. And yeah, stay tuned. We'll have more content coming up as usual. Always got something planned for the M, of course. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.